This is our second problem on 4.2, and one thing we should notice right away is that these numbers are much bigger than what we're used to seeing. I'm going to guess this is not actually 60 inches, not 5 feet. That it was probably going to be 60 millimeters instead. One thing to note is that it doesn't always have the mm or the in or the inches marks on here to say if it's inches or millimeters. Sometimes you have to use your best judgment. So let's go ahead and make this part, but we have to do it a different kind of way. So on Inventor, if we click on the paper, instead of going just to here, we get a little bigger menu of what we can do. And on the side, we have the difference between English and metric templates. Metric, we're going to go with a standard millimeter part and create that instead. I have my options of different planes, and I want to make this, so I'm going to choose the same plane that that face would be on. I'm going to start with a big 2-point rectangle, and that's going to be 60 across and looks like 40 tall. And there's a cutout somewhere over here, and it goes down 15, and it's over 10 from the side, and the whole thing is, oh, it doesn't tell you that one. It does tell you from this edge to here is going to be 25. That was pretty close. I'm going to trim off the stuff I'm not going to be using, and I should be able to just extrude this. So E on your keyboard is extrude. It's the shortcut. This is 30 millimeters wide. Let's just double check that you know where my numbers came from. Alright, so here was my 15 down. There's my 10 and my 25 there. This is 60 across, 40 tall, and now it's 30 wide. I'm going to make this little cutout here, and that's going to go all the way through the part. So I'm going to say new sketch. Make a 2-point rectangle here. This is, do they tell me? 15. This is 10 tall. And notice this is not where I want it, but if I have the sizes right, I can just click on it and it should be able to drag anywhere. So I'll get it to roughly where it's supposed to be, and then keep dimensioning. So I'm going to go back to saying this is going to be 3 millimeters away, and it is 5 from here. Oh, there we go. And now I should be able to extrude, cut, distance, all. So instead of typing in that it's going to be 60, I can just change that to all. So if this changes to 70, that hole will still cut through. See? And for some reason, it thinks my home view is messed up. It should show me a top, front, side view for my home. Since it's not, I'm going to right click on the house thing and say set current view as home, fit to view. There we go. Save that. Should be in the same folder as before. So go into your name and find Inventor 4.2. We'll call this 4.2.2. Done.